Hey there, welcome to our chat about crypto. I continue to share my knowledge about cryptocurrency with my inquisitive grandfather and of course with you, friends. You know that digital money everyone's talking about? Yeah, that stuff. I think you, Grandpa Joe, have a lot of new questions and are happy to learn new things even though you still write checks for everything. But no judgment. Maybe after today you'll be paying for groceries with Bitcoin. Okay, maybe not. But let's dive in and have some fun.
Can you tell me anything else about Bitcoin prices, Tim?
First things first, Grandpa. Crypto prices are about as stable as a cat on a Roomba. They go up, they go down, sometimes they do flips you wouldn't believe. It's a wild ride. But that's part of what makes it exciting, right? It's like the stock market on steroids. You gotta have nerves of steel and a strong stomach. Now you're gonna hear people talking about bear and bull markets. Think of it like this. A bear swipes down, prices drop. A bull charges up, prices rise. When everyone's buying and prices are high, that's a bull market. Party time. But when everyone's selling and prices plummet, that's a bear market. Time to hibernate and wait it out.
A bull market and a bear market? Sounds like my last trip to the zoo. So tell me, Timmy, is this crypto stuff just a fad? Like those pet rocks everyone was buying back in my day? And what in the world is a Dogecoin? Does it come with fleas?
Oh, Grandpa, your jokes? Let's chat about how price changes affect both your morning coffee and the wild world of cryptocurrencies. Okay, Grandpa, Dogecoin with fleas? That's hilarious. But seriously, the crypto world is full of surprises and humor, just like that meme you saw. And crypto isn't just a trend. It's a game-changing technology that's changing how we think about money. People use it for everything from buying coffee to investing in startups. It's making waves, Grandpa. From young techies to seasoned investors, everyone is jumping in. Cryptocurrencies are breaking barriers and making finance more inclusive. Now about those price swings. Just like any market, crypto values are influenced by many factors. It's not random, there's a method to the madness. Remember when coffee prices shot up because of that frost in Brazil? Same thing here. Unexpected events can cause prices to spike or drop. Supply and demand world events, these drive prices in any market. High demand and low supply push prices up. Oversupply and low demand make prices fall. Even a tweet from Elon Musk can send crypto prices soaring or crashing. It's wild how much one person can influence the market.
This isn't new. Traditional markets also react to news, rumors, and influences.
So, next time you're enjoying your coffee, think about how its price might have been influenced by events halfway across the world. It's a small reminder of our interconnected world. Cryptocurrencies operate globally, and their prices can be affected by events anywhere. This global reach is both a strength and a challenge, as crypto markets are always reacting to the latest news, and that's what makes it so exciting. The crypto world is dynamic and ever-changing, offering endless opportunities for those willing to dive in and learn. Whether you're an experienced investor or just curious, there's always something new to discover. So Grandpa, while Dogecoin with fleas is a funny meme, the reality is that cryptocurrencies are here to stay. They're shaping the future of finance, one tweet, one transaction, and one cup of coffee at a time.
As we move forward, it's important to stay informed and adaptable. The world of finance is evolving, and those who embrace these changes will be better prepared for the future. So, here's to the exciting journey ahead, filled with both challenges and opportunities.
Let's talk about meme magic and market mayhem. The internet can turn something small into a global sensation overnight. Remember Dogecoin? Dogecoin started as a joke back in 2013, created by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer. Online communities, especially on Reddit, helped push its value to new heights. The internet can drive market changes in ways traditional experts can't predict. Grandpa, remember that time you wore your funny tie to the family reunion? It was just a small thing, but everyone still talks about it. Just like the Dogecoin saga, small things can become memorable. The internet has evolved from just a communication tool to a market influencer. Viral moments like Charlie bit my finger and the ice bucket challenge show the internet's power. Dogecoin is another example of the internet's influence. For many, Dogecoin represents community and shared experiences. The internet is powerful and we need to use it responsibly. The future of digital currencies is still unfolding and we all have a role to play. So Grandpa, remember the Doge. Internet has incredible potential. The next big thing might be just around the corner. Meme magic refers to the phenomenon where internet memes can influence real-world events, including financial markets. Market mayhem often follows when these memes gain traction, leading to unpredictable and rapid changes in market values. Understanding these trends can help us navigate the digital landscape more effectively. Let's talk about FOMO, or the fear of missing out. You know that feeling when everyone is talking about the latest crypto and you just have to buy it? Yeah, that's FOMO. It's like when you see everyone at a party and you don't want to miss out on the fun. But in the crypto world, this can lead to buying at high prices. But Grandpa, here's the thing about crypto. It's not just about understanding the technology or the market trends, it's about managing your emotions and not letting the fear of missing out dictate your actions. You see, the crypto market is incredibly volatile, and prices can change in the blink of an eye. It's easy to get caught up in the hype, in the FOMO, the fear of missing out. When you see everyone around you talking about their gains and how much money they're making, it's natural to feel like you need to jump in too. But that's where the danger lies. The excitement and the buzz can cloud your judgment. Everyone's talking about it, everyone's making money, and you don't want to be left behind. Social media amplifies this feeling with posts and stories of people striking it rich overnight. It creates a sense of urgency, making you feel like you need to act now or you'll miss out on the opportunity of a lifetime. But that's when people make bad decisions, buying high and selling low. When you let FOMO take over, you might end up buying at the peak of the market, only to see the value plummet shortly after. It's a common mistake that many new investors make, driven by the fear of missing out on potential gains. It's like that time you bought a lifetime supply of mayonnaise because it was on sale. Even though you hate mayonnaise, you were so caught up in the idea of getting a good deal that you didn't stop to think about whether you actually needed it. The same thing happens with crypto. People buy in because they see others making money, without considering if it's the right investment for them. The key to avoiding the pitfalls of FOMO is to stay informed and make decisions based on research and analysis, not emotions. Take the time to understand the market, the technology behind the cryptocurrencies, and the factors that influence their value. This way you can make more rational decisions and avoid the trap of buying high and selling low. It's also helpful to have a support system, people you can talk to and get advice from. Whether it's friends, family, or a mentor, having someone to discuss your investment decisions with can provide valuable perspective and help you stay grounded. Remember, investing is a long-term game. It's not about making quick profits, but about building wealth over time. Stay calm, stay focused, and don't let FOMO drive your decisions. By keeping a level head and making informed choices, you can navigate the volatile world of cryptocurrency with confidence. In the end, it's about finding a balance. Be aware of the opportunities, but don't let the fear of missing out push you into making hasty decisions. With the right approach, you can make the most of the crypto market without falling into the common traps of FOMO. So, let's take a step back, breathe, and think before we jump in.
Well, Timmy, you know what they say. A fool and his money are soon parted. I'm too old for roller coasters, and I think I'm all right with sticking to my savings account . But we'll talk about investing in crypto later. I think it's very exciting.
Alright, Grandpa, get this. There are literally thousands of different cryptocurrencies out there. Bitcoin's just the tip of the iceberg. Some are used for online payments, others for building decentralized apps, and some are just plain weird. Well, friends, that's all for now. Thanks for watching my crypto channel. I hope you enjoyed our journey through the world of market fluctuations with Grandpa Joe. Don't forget to join our conversations and dive deeper into the world of cryptocurrencies. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. Your support helps us bring more content like this. See you next time.